Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair and I just happen to be sitting in my car on this beautiful afternoon, so you can see this beauty in the light. This is Drew, and the color is one of my new favorite colors, shaded peach. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Check this hairline, just beautiful. It flows, super low density. So ladies, if you're looking for something that's low density and swingy and very natural looking, this is your girl. So she's got free parting space. She's just really nice. And remember, we want 4 fingers from our brow bone to our part line. And so that's what I've got on. I've been out in this all day today. Lots of compliments. Super fun, super easy to wear. Not a face flopper. So you can see here, I'm outside in my car. So if you are looking for a new style, Drew by Jon Renau. I love Jon Renau, love the hairlines, love the versatility of these pieces. You saw me recently in January, same color, and that was a short number with curls. So again, Drew in shaded peach. Mwah. Cheers.